Hello everyone, this is Parveen Sandhu, Assistant Professor at RPIIT College, Plaza, Karnal. Today I am here to discuss a topic mixture with you. Let's discuss firstly introduction of mixture. A mixture is a liquid preparation meant for oral administration in which medicament or medicaments are dissolved or suspended in a suitable vehicle. Now discuss classification of mixture. Mixture can be classified in simple mixture containing soluble substance, mixture containing diffusible solids, mixture containing indiffusible solids, mixture containing precipitate forming liquids, mixture containing slightly soluble liquids. These are the classification of mixtures. Now discuss all of them one by one. Firstly, mixture containing soluble substance. These are the type of simple mixtures that contains only soluble ingredients. Example: Carminative Mixture, Diarrhoea Mixture, Expectorant Mixture. Mixture containing diffusible solids. Diffusible solids are those which do not dissolve in water but may be mixed there with so that upon shaking the powder drug is evenly diffused throughout the liquid for sufficient time to ensure uniform distribution in each dose. Example: bismuth carbonate, magnesium carbonate, magnesium oxide. Now discuss mixture containing indiffusible solids. Indiffusible solids are those solids which are not soluble in water and do not remain uniform distributed in the vehicle for sufficient long time. So therefore, to suspend the drug, suspending agents are added. Example: acetyl salicylic acid. Now mixture containing precipitate forming liquids. Certain liquid preparation contain resinous matter when mixed with water. The resin is precipitated, which may adhere to the sides of the bottle or form a clot precipitate which will not rediffuse upon shaking. To prevent this compound, tragacanth powder are used. Now last one is the mixture containing slightly soluble liquids. The insoluble portion of slightly soluble liquid is not readily diffusible, so a suspending agent is needed to dispense such mixtures. Compound tragacanth powder and tragacanth mucilage are used in these same proportion as discussed in mixture containing indiffusible solids. Thank you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe our RPIIT channel. Thank you.